Hi, everybody. Up next, the highest form of honoring others. As you know, the economy is met with unprecedented change, and it often feels like a free fall into some unknown territory. But your human wiring actually reveals how you pilot change. With insights into your innate wiring, you as a leader can discover how to stay consistently motivated regardless of the circumstances. And when you become skilled at delivering communication the way the other person wants to receive it, it's the highest form of honoring them. There are four major elements in human wiring. I'm going to use a communication element of human wiring as an example of just how easy it is to spot how someone wants to receive their communication. People naturally high on the communication scale are more of external thinkers. That is, they like to verbalize, to crystallize their thoughts. They'll start to repeat themselves if they're not acknowledged. So a simple head nod, yep, can be a simple form of acknowledgement that can satisfy their innate need that they've been heard. If you're lower in the communication scale, you're more of an internal thinker. You internalize to crystallize your thoughts, and your best ideas are about an hour after a meeting, after you've had a chance to think through the discussion. If that's you, you'll sometimes give a blank processing stare when you explain, when people are explaining things to you, you'll have this blank stare on your face. And it's not that you don't understand. In fact, you're just processing on the inside. Now, the best way to honor people when they give you that blank stare is silence. If you're in a conversation with them, they use that silent time to process. Now, it may seem awkward to you if you're not wired that way, but to them, they need that time, that processing time. Honoring others is really about noticing. And when you notice these communication cues and deliver communication the way the other person wants to receive it, it's the highest form of honoring the other person. I'm Lisa Minetti. Until next week, create a great life. Bye now.